What's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing and then a quick little review and testing of the Shark Navigator Lift-Away DLX. So this is just a new vacuum that we picked up during Black Friday a couple of weeks ago. We got a really good deal on it. It's a no frills vacuum, but what it does do is it sucks up dirt and crap off of your floors. In our house, we're not really looking for a fancy, expensive vacuum. We just want something that works. And my wife actually prefers the vacuums that plug into the wall. Plus, we've had a lot of history with Shark Navigator vacuums in the past. In fact, I've done a few videos of other Shark Navigator vacuums right here on this same YouTube channel. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned to this video to see how to put this vacuum together and see how it works. Oh, look at that. It looks like it already has assembly instructions right here on the box flap. So that's actually very useful. And I am proud to announce that there are only 4 steps for the assembly process. So, according to the assembly instructions, the vacuum pod, which this is called, and has a hole right there, that just goes ahead and clips right onto the floor nozzle. So we take this and we connect it right in here, like that. Okay, next we have this little tool holder right here. This goes right onto the wand, just slides right on there. And then last but not least, we can attach the handle. The handle clicks onto the top, and then the hose clicks into this pod attachment. So now I'm going to go through a few features of the vacuum. Obviously, if you've used a vacuum before, which I'm sure many of you have, when you want to use it upright, it's kind of a standard way of using it. You just go ahead and hold your foot on there and it pops forward. You can flip the switch on and go ahead and use it like a regular vacuum. I will mention that this vacuum has 2 different cleaning modes. Cleaning mode 1 is for a bare floor, and cleaning mode 2 turns on the brush roll. If you want to use the lift away function, that's pretty easy. Just go ahead and kind of hold your foot here to allow yourself to press this tab right here and pull the pod out. You can press this tab right here and pop the wand out. Then you can turn it on. Use the lift away function. Now you can also use the lift away function without the wand by keeping the wand inside there and then using this tab to unlock just the handle. So this is where all the dust goes, and you can pop that off by opening up these clamps right there and lifting it off. Now you see here you have a foam filter right here. Now this protects another filter that's below it. So this is a felt filter with a foam filter on top. The foam filter is going to take the brunt of the dust. When this foam filter starts to get dirty, if you don't clean it, you're definitely going to lose suction, because these 2 filters are protecting the actual motor down there. The way that you would empty out dust when it fills in here is you would bring this over to the trash can and then open up this tab, and the bottom drops out and you can just drop your dust out from there. Pretty easy, pretty standard. Again, close that. This top tab opens up the top lid, and this cone mesh filter that's inside there, that is going to really be the first line of defense against any kind of large debris and particles. Things like hair and that sort of thing will wrap around this filter. So periodically, or basically whenever you empty out this pod right here, you're going to want to pull the hair and the larger debris off of this filter. because if that clogs up, you'll lose suction as well. Putting it back on, just as easy as putting it back where you took it from, and then locking these toggle clamps. Again, this cover pops off and it reveals the HEPA filter for the vacuum. So that's what lives right here. And this, I believe, is replaceable as well. Yep. So you can go ahead and slide that out. You can see in there, that's the HEPA filter. This will eventually start to get dirty as well. And they do sell replacements for these. HEPA filters, typically you need to discard and then replace with a brand new one. So there you have it, folks, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away DLX vacuum. If you are in the market for a vacuum, I would say that you should give this one a shot. It's not expensive. Like I said, it's not fancy, no frills, but what's most important is that it does work. So if you found this video helpful, I'm hoping that you'll give me a like in this video and stay tuned for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.